Believe it or not, popcorn has been a popular snack for thousands of years. The very first corn domesticated by the ancient people of Mesoamerica wasn't flour corn or sweet corn. They started out with popcorn. A few years ago, archaeologists discovered popcorn cobs that were about 6,000 years old. They think this high-yield crop helped fuel the rise of the Aztec Empire. And the Aztecs actually had a special word for the sound of exploding kernels: totopoca. So, what's the science behind that pop? Well, popcorn kernels are smaller and harder than flour corn kernels. They have these tough shells that surround a tiny pocket of soft starch and seal in moisture. Add heat, and the kernels act like tiny pressure cookers. The superheated water inside actually liquefies the starch. The temperature rises, the pressure builds, and then the liquefied starch froths out, cooling and solidifying in a fraction of a second. If you take one kernel and look at it very, very closely under an electron microscope, you can see that it's made up of starch bubbles that were formed by the expanding steam. This is popcorn magnified 250 times. Delicious. This is Skunk Bear, NPR's science show. Subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos.